Alright, great designers in the house. God bless you. Okay, so I want to show you how we got this done, right? And that would be very quick. So we're going to go to our beloved Canva Pro account. Make sure you have a Canva Pro account, okay? If you don't have one, let me know. We're going to go to Canva Pro account and get this done as fast as we can, alright? So let's go to Canva. Okay, so on create, I want to use YouTube thumbnail, right? Let's take a look at that. And so that you can have this shape, right? And all of that. So drag this down. And then let's go to elements. On the element, we're going to look for, okay, I already have my materials ready. I want to use this particular bed, right? So I'm going to pick up this bed and I'll remove the background. Alright, remove the background. You see, you have to use Canva Pro for you to do this, okay? And then I'm going to flip this, flip it. Alright, okay, so you can decide to expand, increase the size a bit. Okay, beautiful. Now you can go back to that same place. I already have some materials here. Like I told you, I want to use this particular background, so I'm going to use this. Click on this three dots to make it to set as image background, right? Very beautiful. So we already have this on ground, so position it very well. All right, because we're going to use it. All right, position it very well and then download this very well. Let's download it as PNG, right? Just download it. So we're going to create another page now. Just create another page, and then let's go to elements, and then you go to frames. When you go to frame, you're going to see letters in, in this format, right? So we're going to pick up these letters. I'm going to pick letter B, all right, and then position it somewhere here. All right, something like this. Okay, then go get all the letters that form letter BIR, right? Make sure you position them very well. Alright, so I'm going to do all of that. So I've been able to align BIROD, okay, in this format. So I'm going to go to my gallery and bring up the other image, right? This one, bring it up. Alright, and then what I can do is to, before then. Alright, so what I can do, just tap on it and make it your background. Set image as background, then go back again. This time I just go to upload. Go to upload. Alright, pick up the image. Alright, this image. Okay, then this time around you put it on letter B. Alright, put it on letter B, tap it, and then make sure you drag to fill the space. Alright, drag to fill the space. You see that? Very good. Then you go back again, pick up the next letter, the same image again, put it on top of letter I. Yeah, okay, no, not on letter I. Okay. You can reduce it a bit, make sure you fall within letter I. Okay, so you tap on it again and then you crop it. You crop to fill up the space. Alright, you do that for all of them. Alright, so I've been able to fill in all of that, right? So what you can do now is tap the other background, alright, and delete it. Okay, so you're going to have this format. Okay, this is what you're going to get right now. So what you can do is to what we're going to do now is to download this one, right? Let's download it as PNG. Download it as PNG, this particular page. Download it and then bring it up again for the second time. So having done this, right, I'm going to remove this page now. Alright, we can just, okay, let's bring it up, bring up this particular page, work on it. So okay, no, yeah, bring up a new page now. Alright, and then go to your gallery and bring up this other one, the one you just downloaded, right? Go to gallery, bring up this one. All right, bring it up, and then position it very well. Position it very well. All right, now you can remove the background. This is why you know Canva Pro to do all of these things, right? So remove the background. Having the background removed, what you can do, just tap on it, right, and then go to effect, and then group to shadows, go to outline. Okay, tap on outline again, turn the color outline to white. Okay, turn it to white. Beautiful. All right, so having done this, what you can do is to go bring the other image, yeah, this particular image, bring it up again and then fix it in here. All right, now remove the background again. Very good. And then what you can do, make it as go to position and send it backward. See that? Beautiful. So this is what you do. All right. So these are going to appear on this. Now what I can do again is to add more color to it by way of like tap this. Just tap this front one, right? And then you can what you can do, let's reduce the transparency of this one. Okay, before then go to adjust and go to brightness and remove, reduce the brightness to 0. Okay, so when you do that, tap on it so that it will not look like a 3D stuff, right? You can do it in this format. You just position it this way. All right, and yeah, position it very well this way. So having done this, now I can go back again, bring up the other the actual image. All right, bring it up this way. All right, remove the background. Okay, so you can decide to again go back to effects, go back to effects. Where's effect? Yeah, and then go to shadow, go to outline. Okay, and turn that to white again, the color to white. All right, beautiful, and then we are good to go. So at this point you just position it very well so that it look like something that has shadow, right? So guys, this is how you get this done. All right, so you can decide to take your time and add so many other things you want to add to it, and we are good to go. This is the final result. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this, okay? And then come back here for more pro graphic design tips. This is Dr. K, and this is Dwoko Designs. I'll see you in our next video. Bye for now. God bless.